Want to stay on top of your earnings with Uber Eats? Tracking what you make is easy. Right from the Uber driver app, after each delivery, you'll see a breakdown of your pay, including base fare, tips, and any promotions or boosts. You can also tap the Earnings tab anytime to see daily, weekly, or custom time frame summaries for a more detailed look. Check your weekly pay statements, which show every delivery tip and adjustment. Keeping an eye on these clips help. I mean, keep an eye on these helps you understand which times or areas make you the most money, so you can plan your schedule better. When you're ready to cash out, Uber offers instant pay, so you can transfer your earnings directly to your bank account or debit card, usually within minutes. Just tap Cash Out in the app's earnings section. Otherwise, your earnings are automatically deposited once a week. Tracking your earnings regularly helps you hit our financial goals and spot any missing payments so you can report them quickly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tips to make the most out of your Uber Eats deliveries.